Question number 69 of the ID Passport exam from PhilNITS. We are now in the strategy portion of the exam. In this question, we are being asked, which of the following is an appropriate way to brainstorm? Let's highlight the keyword brainstorm. To answer this question, we'll need to read each and every choice that we have, and then from there choose the best answer. Letter A is saying that we ask participants to present feasible ideas and refrain from generating unrestrained ideas. I think this word here, refrain, tells us that this is not really what we need to do when we are brainstorming, because otherwise, if we tell the participants to refrain, to keep to themselves whatever idea that they have, then the possibilities that we could get from this session, this brainstorming session, would be much reduced. So this letter, this choice, I put here a big X mark. Next, letter B is saying that we proceed with a session without blaming any member who creates an improved idea that takes advantage of another member's idea. So in this sense, I think anyone who has an idea can build upon on the other person's idea, and there's no blaming at all if another person takes the idea and improve it further. So I think this one is okay. But of course, we'll need to read the remaining choices to see which one's the best. Letter C, proceed with the session while selecting the ideas that are suitable to the theme. I think when I answered this about half a year ago, this is what I chose. I remember that the answers list told me that this is not the correct answer, because if you're choosing the ideas to put on the blackboard or wherever, then that means that the possibilities of ideas that we can come up with would be much reduced too. I think the reason why I thought about this one was because at the time when I was studying in Japan, our teacher also wrote ideas on the blackboard, and whatever idea that a person said, um, sometimes he won't write it on the blackboard. So I thought that maybe in that way he can choose the ideas that are supposed to be emphasized. But I think in a certain sense, maybe some of the ideas the students have already also gave those ideas, and so there's no really a need to write them anymore in the blackboard. I think when I came back here in the Philippines, our teacher also did brainstorming in our class, and I think that's the reason also why sometimes the ideas from students don't get written down on the whiteboard or the blackboard that we have in the classroom. Okay, so for letter C, selecting ideas that are suitable to the theme seem okay, but in the end, it's not part of the brainstorming that we need. Okay, letter D, encouraging the criticism of ideas to pursue quality rather than quantity of ideas. So criticism of ideas, in this case, maybe this could be done later on, but for now, we are doing a brainstorming session, and what we want is as many ideas that people can come up with, can share with us, and that way we can know what could be done afterwards. So the best answer among the choices is letter B, and I think a while ago too, while I was attempting to answer this, I also chose the correct answer, which is letter B.